Hello everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how to fix a business location in Google Maps. It's not uncommon to come across inaccurately placed pins, especially in areas with confusing street addresses. So, when you encounter such a situation and you want to help out the business, here's what you can do. The first thing to know is that you can't do this on an iPhone. Attempting to do so will lead to a dead end. You'll need to use a browser on your computer to make these changes. Let's take this business as an example. It's actually located about a block away from its current pin location, making it challenging to find it. To start fixing the location, start by finding the business on Google Maps. Scroll down on the left panel and click Suggest an Edit. Then, select Change Name or Other Details. Next, update the map location by moving the map underneath the pin to the correct spot. Once you've adjusted the location, click Done, and then Send. It may take some time for Google to review the changes, but you should see the business appears at the correct location on the map soon. Thanks for helping out the business by ensuring its location is accurately represented on Google Maps. Your contribution makes it easier for others to find and support local businesses. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, see you in the next video.